Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel once again. Today I'll be showing you soya keema wrap. Now for this I need soya keema. How to prepare soya keema? I will give you a link for this. Then here I have prepared bitumen sauce. Now what is a bitumen sauce? It is normal white sauce made either with the wheat flour. Today I have done it with wheat flour to make it more healthy, or with maida. You make white sauce and you garnish it with little salt and black pepper. But on the top of that you grate little nutmeg, or in Marathi we call it zaifar. You grate zaifar or nutmeg into it and mix. Make it like this thick, so it becomes bitumen sauce. Grated cheese, and these are pickled onions. Now what is pickled onions? I've cut the onions lengthwise, and you can either use a vinegar or a lime juice followed by a dash of red chili powder and little salt, and finishing it with some freshly chopped coriander. That's all. Now for this we require main ingredient, tortillas. Now what is tortillas? In Mexican cuisine, tortillas is nothing but a chapati made with purely with the maize or the corn flour, followed it can also be made with half maida and half corn flour, or you can make half maida and half wheat flour. Here I have done with half flour and half maida. Okay, wheat and maida, but I have made it little bigger one. Now I will take these tortillas and I will cut it into the center like this. Now I get 4 quarters. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now into one of these I will be putting soya keema. Put it properly. So this is how I have put soya keema. Then to its left side here I'm going to put pickled onion. Pickled onion. Then at the beginning I will be putting bitumen sauce. Spread it, and then at the end I'm going to put grated cheese. Now I'm just going to fold it. 1, 2, and this is the 4th layer that I am folding, and here my wrap is ready. You can either have it just like that, or you can roast it on the tava. So I'll be showing you today with roasting on the tava. I'll show you another wrap. How to do it? Take a tortilla and cut it here. Okay, now on 1 quarter you put soya keema. This is 1 dish meal. This you can take it into your tiffins to the office, or you can give it to your kids in the school tiffin, or you can have it even during the lunch time. Now here I am putting pickled onions. Okay. Now here I am putting bitumen sauce. And cheese. If you don't like these pickled onions, you can you can put a mixture of, say, the tomato sauce and some red chili sauce. Mix it together and you can put it there. Okay, like this. Like this and like this. So here my wrap is ready. Now I will roast the wrap on the tava. Now for that, what I'll be doing, I'm putting little ghee here. Very little ghee. And I'm going to keep this. I'm going to put the cheese side down and I'm going to roast it. I'm going to give it a, say, 5 minutes time to roast it. So this is how I have roasted the tortillas and the wrap on the tawa, and this is how it looks. It is very crispy and tastes yummy. If you like my recipe, kindly view it. Kindly click on to the thumbs up, the like button. Do subscribe my channel and share my recipe with your friends. Please make it. This is very yummy. I just can't wait to gobble this entire thing. Thank you.